Tesla vehicles like the Model 3, Y, S, and X have a minimalist design with no traditional steering column stalks. Wiper and washer fluid controls are managed through the central touchscreen. To activate your wipers, tap the controls icon on the touchscreen, usually a gear or car outline. Then select Service or directly the Wipers option, often located under Vehicle Wipers in newer software. From here, you can choose settings like intermittent, low, high, or auto if rain sensing is enabled. Adjust the speed using the slider. To use the washer fluid, hold the wiper icon to activate the spray. Tesla's latest software, V12.5.x, includes enhanced automation, allowing wipers to activate automatically based on camera-detected precipitation with the full self-driving FSD supervised V13 software. This design promotes a software-defined vehicle, where features evolve without hardware changes. Customize your wiper settings further via the Tesla app. You can enable voice commands like "Hey Tesla," turn on wipers, or link settings to autopilot for automatic activation during rain. The Tesla mobile app allows deep customization of wiper settings. Enable voice commands for hands-free control and connect wiper activation to autopilot's rain detection system. The system relies on capacitive touchscreen technology with haptic feedback in some models. This advanced touch system detects finger contact through electrostatic field changes. The washer fluid reservoir is located under the hood. Use standard windshield washer fluid, and for cold climates, a 50-50 mix with distilled water is recommended to prevent freezing. For troubleshooting, check for software updates under Software Update in the Controls menu. Unresponsiveness can indicate calibration issues, solvable via service mode, or low washer fluid, indicated by a warning icon. Tesla's integration with autonomous driving is advancing, predicting rain and activating wipers proactively using external cameras and sensors. Tesla is pushing for eco-friendly washer fluids, testing biodegradable alternatives in Europe, and considering recycled materials in wiper blades for future models.